Hi, my loves. Sit outside. Guys, yesterday night was so terrible. Like yesterday, I met floods, and it was really traumatizing to me. I'm hydrating. Hi, honeys. Good morning. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my pretty name is Lizzie Kialo, and welcome to my space. Thank you for also stopping by to watch my video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So, welcome to yet another vlog of mine. Guys, yesterday night was so terrible. Like yesterday, I met floods, and it was really traumatizing to me. It's raining in most parts of the country here in Kenya, and you gotta stay safe, okay? But I thank God I got home safely, so you guys stay safe. So welcome to a new video. I hope you guys enjoy. So make sure that you give this video a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share with your friends and family. And you guys, I love you so much, and thank you for always supporting me. So enjoy. Hi, honeys. guys, how is your evening coming along? So it's 6:20 in the evening and the weather is just terrible. It's raining outside. Guys, you need to take care of yourself because yesterday I was almost being swept away by floods. Yo, yesterday I was traumatized for sure. So stay safe. I'll show you outside. Let me show you. See outside. So yeah, that's what's up. I hope you guys are keeping safe. So I'm heading to the kitchen to prepare dinner. So today I'm gonna prepare the simplest meal or food for dinner. And yeah, so my phone is running out of charge. So I think I'll let it charge kidogo and then I'll catch up with you. Yeah. So let me go prepare the ingredients as I charge my phone. Okay. So see ya. Hi, honeys. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing all right. I'm doing well. So let's go prepare breakfast. Yeah. But before that, happy International Women's Day to all the awesome women out there. Hi, my loves. Good afternoon. At least the weather is a bit friendly. It's a bit sunny. Unajua ni eti masaa ya mvua hayajafika. Guys, make sure that you hydrate your lips like always. What kind of lips zimekauka? Yeah. So let me show you how the weather is like. That's what the weather looks like. So I need to go and take care of myself, my hair. I need to apply this oil. I have a couple of them, but today I'm gonna use this specific oil. Yeah. Today is International Women's Day. So I feel like you as a woman, you're supposed to appreciate yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself. And by the way, you need to take care of yourself so that you can be able to take care of others, okay? So yeah, that's what's up. So I'm done applying oil on my scalp. So I'm hydrating. I don't know whether to end this video so that I can start a new one. I think I should do that. Definitely. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure that you give it a like, a thumbs up, a like, a comment, share with your friends and family, and subscribe if not yet subscribed. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye. I love you so much, guys.